Hey guys, welcome back to another Jackson Man 36 video vlogs. And and in today's video we are going to be doing whatever. Guys, just saying, if you can't see me correct, I don't know why, but this is my first time doing a kind of like a webcam, because I'm at my grandma's house and she has a webcam, and I'm sorry, but I do not have a webcam. This is my first time doing it, and I did not know how to do this. Okay, I'm gonna move my camera down to the bottom right down here. Okay, and now I'm going. So you guys go subscribe to I'm Puppy J. And he'll actually be very happy about that. So actually, we're going to be playing. Let's see, guys. What do y'all want to play? Y'all want to play Adopt Me? Leave a like and subscribe. For how about let's play Piggy, guys? Let's play Piggy. I'm going to be playing Piggy, and I'm so excited that I found out how to do a webcam. I'm already favoring this because it's my favorite. Okay, let's get out onto this video. I'm sorry, I'm not looking at the camera that much, but because I'm looking at my screen, not, yeah. Okay, we're joining in Piggy. I love Minitoon. Oh, because what if I spend this coins on the little brother? Guys, I'm actually gonna be, oh my gosh, that's loud. Let me turn down the volume for y'all guys. There we go. So, we have the normal Piggy skin. And I'm trying to get, let me just move my camera over here so we can scroll. And I'm going to be trying to get this father skin. And y'all can't see it, but because I can see how much y'all can see, but y'all actually can't see it. But I've wrapped up almost enough. If I get one kill, I can get the mother skin, so I have 70 coins, and I'm gonna save up for the father. And on my main account, Jackson Man 36, I have Piggy, mother, little brother, father, and I also have teacher and Dino Pig. And my sister has Daisy. I meant Angel. And I really want to save up for Bunny. And I'm Puppy J actually has Bunny. And y'all can also go check out Tussie Games. He's a really good YouTuber, and he loves the mousy skin. But in traps, I have like all of the traps. I have this trap, I have the default trap, the small trap, I have the big traps, the slow traps, and the alarm traps. I don't have the egg traps. What's wrong with my mouse? So, what's wrong with that? Okay guys, I'm sorry, it's just my mouse. And I don't have teleporters. And I want the teleporters because I actually found a glitch you can do if you're the on a video I saw that you can actually use teleporters when you're the trader and make sure someone dies, and then you can I don't know how this works, but you can use a teleporter and then teleport into the dying place where you died, and you can actually just spam the killing, and you'll get infinite like 1,000 coins. And so let's go back onto Piggy. Or do you, oh, Maul. Let's do infection. Cause I want to be Piggy, guys. No, they're doing player. Infection. Oh man, I guess it's gonna be player. Okay, I hope I'm it, but I really don't know. Okay, so it's gonna be him, and also I know where some grass is. See me right there? Me and Zizzy. Okay. Let's do this, guys. I don't care about that alarm. Okay, I know where some grass is, even though it's not there. I know where some other grass is. Ah, I actually need to click it. Oh man, now I'm gonna get this grass. Oh, a black hole trap. I heard the ding. Okay, the grass has been gave to Zizzy. Oh no, I think it's Robbie, guys. No, his father pig. And he has black hole traps. What? Oh my gosh, they already got the gun? Okay, I'm gonna grab the gun. I think Father Pig's behind me. Nope. Oh, they already got the gun. That's good. Then they're gonna go find some ammo. Psych! He didn't see me, Father Pig. Zizzy, finally, Zizzy, you got him. No, I fell. Get back up. Okay, good. Got back up. Let's get the green key. Where's my mouse not going on it? Oh, there we go. No, Father Pig is already awoke. There's no way. Someone just... Yeah? Sorry. Oh, sorry, guys. Let me pause the video. Okay, guys, I just got killed. But, alright, guys. That was just some technical difficulties. You can see my grandma back there. She just gave my house number to the lawnmowers because my lawnmowers had not came in like months. Yeah, but y'all, I don't want y'all to know because y'all might come and steal it. Oh my gosh, that's such a good thing. But I heard Mousy get someone if y'all didn't hear. So I'll end the video off in about 1 minute. I don't know why, but stay tuned for the next video because I'm kind of running out of time. I only got 15 minutes and it's been 9 minutes. I don't know how, guys. How? I'll post this video and then I'll do another video, so stay tuned. I'm just playing with the Mousy, get her. I'm gonna spectate Father Pig. Oh my gosh, guys. Someone glitched out of the map. Are you serious? I've never glitched in my life. No! No! Oh no, the Father Pig left the game. Now it's Robbie. I hate Robbie. Well, I don't really hate him. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe down below. Wait, that girl just walked through the crawl space. What? Guys, she is a hacker. That's a hacker. Hacker alert, hacker alert. Yeah, the hacker got killed. Okay guys, so please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss a video. Bye.